What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. In this tutorial, I will explain you what is object-oriented programming language. So let's begin. So guys, the basic definition about object-oriented programming language is that it is more efficient way to organize your code. As simple as this. It is most efficient way to organize your code. If you still don't understand, let me show you. So in previous videos, we have built this program. It is a bookstore application. So in this object-oriented programming class, we will organize it in more efficient way. So how we can do that is, first here we have connected our database with the server. So first we will create a function for this to define it separately. Let's name this function underscore underscore init. Yep, it's like this. And here you have to put this, and now we will create a class. Let's name this class database, and here in this class we will put all this code. So simply press tab button to increment the line. So here you can see it looks more organized than the previous. So okay, so our code looks more efficient. Now let's jump off to the front end part. So here in the front end part, we have imported this store back file, but now what we will do is we will simply import from store back. We will import the database class, and now we will create a variable. Let's say database equals to database, and now here you can see all the variables which are in all the function which have been defined. It is with the name of stored back. We have to replace it with this database variable. So for that, go to edit, go to replace, and data database. That's fine. Okay, let's check the file now. Python. You will most probably get the error, but let me straight the error for you. So the error is in line 4. Here database. Okay, what it is saying, the init function takes 0 positional argument, but 1 was given. So what we can do is simply put a function here, variable here, I'm sorry, self, and now if you run the file again, let's run it. You can see we have got the answer here. Okay, the one more error which we are getting is that the view function takes 0 positional argument. So for that, for the every function you have to put here another parameter, self. You can name it any, but I am naming it self. Here also, self. You can name it any. Here also, and in this function also. Yep, we are done. Let's run the file again. Okay, we got an error. Let me just comment this out. Let's run it, view it. Okay, the function is running fine. Let's try to add a new file here. New book, let's name it my book. Author, let's say Lakshit. Year 2020. ISBN, let's say 999. Add new. Let's see if it's running fine or not. Okay, it's showing me an error. What's the error? The title is not defined. Okay, let me see. What a mistake. When I have put this self, I remove this T from here. That's why we got an error. If I save it and run it again and add a book again, my book, author Lakshit, and the year 2020, ISBN 999. Let's add it. Yep, book has been added. Here you can see the book has been added, so the program is running fine and the code also looks much greater than the before, but we have to improve it more. So in the next video we will improve it more, so make sure you follow our videos, and if you love this video, please hit the subscribe button, and if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. So thank you, meet you in the next tutorial.